How to rotate domains in Instantly.ai. Step 1. First, make sure you've connected multiple emails accounts under different domains. You can do this in Settings, then Email Accounts. Step 2. Open the campaign where you want to enable domain rotation. Step 3. Inside the campaign settings, you'll see the options for domain or account rotation. Turn it on. Instantly will now automatically spread out your emails across the connected domains. Step 4. You can choose how many emails each domain sends per day. This helps prevent any single domain from getting flagged or blacklisted. Step 5. Keep an eye on deliverability reports. If one domain starts performing poorly, you can pause it and let the others continue sending. So that's it.